Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna eat more snacks. So
Yeah, taste test, guys.
yeah. Okay,
Which one you choose? Come on. I'll get it. Pringles. Yeah. Get them both.
So guys, we got the Pringles.
Pringles, sour cream, and onion.
Yep, the green one, and we got the original
You know
one,
what?
the salty one.
Look, did you notice the cover is like red as well? Should have been green, but yeah. This is the original, guys.
Let's open it.
Yeah. Try to maybe perhaps the plain one. Dip it with a bit of Nutella. Everyone's favorite chocolate spread, especially
Sorry,
the kids.
yeah, the Nutella is like upside down
There you go.
or something.
The sour cream and onion. Can you show it first? Sour cream and wait. And then sour cream and onion.
Oh, both of them. There we go.
You rate it right away. Out of 5 now.
Out of 5,
Me
I would
3
say-
over 5.
I would say a 4.
Why is it covered like this? How are we supposed to cover it again? With plastic. Then you can then.
I would say like a 4 or 3. 3.5.
And this
Very
one
good.
is the Pringles original one, guys. I'll just maybe half. You should have. Oh, ito, like open half of it lang ita, no? Like this, half lang. Not the whole thing.
Oh yeah. So yeah.
Sorry. Advice for you guys to open half lang so you can able to close it.
Yeah.
Seal
Only
it back.
half.
Maybe put in the plastic, I don't know, container, guys. And this original. I prefer the original actually, guys. And you can put a bit of like Nutella.
Plastic
Dip, guys. Here, oh.
Plastic
Some
Pringles.
Nutella. Put some here in the small plate. Yeah. Sample. Also, like, but we tried before Lay's salty chips. It's better if it's salty, so we'll balance out the sweetness in the Nutella.
The motion.
If you guys don't have Nutella, it's okay. Maybe you can melt some milk
Yeah.
chocolate, dark chocolate,
Sour
or even
cream,
like
onion.
cover the chips in melted chocolate, right? Yummy.
The motion.
So,
Oh, wow.
for me, maybe 5 over 5. I like the original Pringles. How about you? What's your score?
3.
Okay, how about the other one? Okay.
3.5. The motion.
Also, Hoya chocolate spread, guys. You can
Oh
you
yeah.
can use Goya.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
On to the next. On to the next one.
Drink water, especially after you eat sweets. Eh?
You mean chips? Because these are not. Oh yeah,
Okay.
the Nutella.
Okay, chips again.
Okay.
I'll open it.
So first, we got the Clovers.
Okay, show it. Show them.
Look at this big, thick, like bag
Okay.
of chips.
Guys, one of our favorite. I'll open it. Local chips. Clover chips. Mini. I'll open it.
Bro, can you open it, bro?
No, this one's good.
I'll just put it on the table. I might
So we can
get
put
hurt.
like
Oh my god.
cheese, guys. The cheese, right?
One of my favorite chips in the world.
Cheese corn snack flavor. It has like original flavor, right? Yeah. Looks like. Let me try to focus this one.
Focus. Yeah. I tried to. Oh. Try to focus.
It also, I like the original flavor as well, but this one's not bad.
This is one of my favorite chips in the world, actually.
Yummy.
Besides, like, roller coaster and stuff. They both do.
His favorite local chips, right? From out of 5 what?
5.
Me 4 out of 5. You guys tried any of these so far? Oh wait.
Oh.
You can drink some water.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna drink water.
Always drink water, guys. Especially after you eat sweets.
Mhm.
Okay. This one. Another cheese.
Also, a classic. I mean,
Well, it's not local.
yeah,
It's not,
the good old Cheetos.
Cheetos classic.
One of my
crunchy.
also favorite
We
snacks.
also have a
the
spicy
world.
flavor. This original. One
Yeah.
of my favorites too.
Original good old cheese.
Yeah, so this is more important.
Cheetos.
Yeah.
I love cheese.
Me sometimes. I don't know.
Okay.
Look at it, guys. Look at
Are
it.
you doing the scissors or is this the plan? Oh wow, that thing's tougher than the clover.
Scissors.
Yeah, we might need scissors, okay.
I'll try to.
Careful, you might cut your
No.
finger. That's okay.
So yeah.
It's been a while since I haven't eaten this.
Me too. So yeah. Try to focus. I know.
Now that's good old Cheetos. That's some Cheetos right there, boy.
No, not because I'm gonna put rubber band. You can also try to like dip it in chocolate. I don't know. My first time to do that.
Okay, let me try it.
What's your rating?
5 too.
Me too. 5 out of 5.
Yeah. Where's button?
Cheetos Crunch.
It actually tastes good with Nutella.
Look at my finger out there. Look.
Yeah. Easy fingers. We'll wash after the video. Ow. My
Right.
teeth.
I'm just continue eating later. And then the next one, let's move on to chocolate.
Chocolate!
Wait, guys.
Yeah. I mean, we already showed some chocolate, like the Nutella
Yeah.
one. But yeah. Let's start with the Bueno
Bueno,
Kinder Bar. One of my favorite chocolate bars too. I love like the cream inside and the bars. It tastes good. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna open
Wait.
it. Can you open
Kinder
it?
brand Bueno. One of
Yeah.
our favorite chocolate brand, Kinder.
Yeah. Besides like
You have Kinder Joy too,
Yeah.
and also Ferrero.
Ferrero, yeah.
I think
Also-
same brand as Nutella,
Yeah.
Ferrero.
Also,
let's start with this. And
one
also
of my
this.
favorite, one of
And
our
this
favorite chocolate
Later
brands.
in
And
a bit,
yeah,
Arnott's Tim Tam from
Tim
Still
Tam.
your favorite
Yeah.
chocolate biscuit, the original one.
yeah.
Come on.
Keep watching the video to see our ratings until the very end.
Open this.
So if you enjoying the video
Actually,
so
has
far,
two,
make sure to like the
yeah,
video and yeah,
2 packs.
keep watching. Because we're not done yet.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, 1 and 2. There's another pack here. Come on.
I can have the other one and you can have the other one.
No, it's okay. I just have 1 or
Yeah.
2.
I'll just have
They're
this.
bueno. You guys tried it? It's from Europe as well.
Bro.
I love European chocolates actually.
Yeah, me too. They're yummy.
Tastier than, I don't know. Well, it depends on the brand, but mostly on European chocolate for me.
There's someone
Don't forget,
up there.
if you guys are liking this video so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
Show it to them.
Kind of
Show.
hard to open. I'm not that hard. but
Show
yeah.
it first. It's like a wafer. Wait, let me read it. Again. Whoa, it's like, show it.
Oh wow.
Yummy. Tastes a bit like Nutella. I don't know. What do you think? With hazelnut, milk and hazelnuts. That's why Nutella is from hazelnut.
Yeah.
The nuts in Nutella is a hazelnut. Can you just break it off?
That's,
You can have one. This one, break it.
yeah. Wait.
No, I need to
You
break.
can have the whole thing.
Okay. I just have like one later. Then after this,
Okay. So we're
yummy.
What would you rate it?
5/5.
Me too. It's so yummy.
More water for me. Most tastes like Nutella.
Mm.
Well, it has both hazelnut, so yeah. And the next one, if you're done.
Yeah.
Is Ferrero, yeah. Or this one first. Which one? Choose.
This one.
Okay, we showed them. The second is mini unboxing of Kinder Joy with surprise, rich in milk. Quite popular kids. It has a blue for blue and pink color.
We all know the Kinder Egg.
Okay, we showed them. How
Wait,
to
let
open
me
it.
just wash my hands.
Sure. I'll just drink a bit of water, guys.
Okay.
Okay,
So let's
show
open
them.
it.
You're like close up.
I know how to open it.
And show them the toy as well.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. That's kind of sharp. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is boring.
Okay, show.
It's the spoon.
Kinder Gold
It's the spoon.
packaging. There's a
The spoon is
Ooh,
different.
and
It's
this is
now
like-
like it's
Okay, show them
wood.
the chocolate
It's not
first. Or
plastic
show them the
anymore.
toy first, yeah.
Let's show the toy first.
Yeah, the spoon, the free spoon. You can use your own spoon to order.
Yeah. Like a little spoon. Or just the normal size
Or
spoon.
hurry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I can't. Oh, okay.
Okay, show them.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. That's. Oh my god.
Ooh, show
Oh
them.
wow. Oh my god.
Look at the free toy.
We'll get that later. We'll get that later.
Yeah.
Wait,
Here,
let me get it.
the fudge. And some like, yeah. That's different toy in each Kinder
I
Joy.
got it. I got it, boys.
Kinder.
Yeah.
We have Kinder.com app.
We can put it there. I
I guess you got this one.
think. So, yeah.
Then you can
Yes.
scan it later.
Oh,
Look,
yeah, scan
see it. Because here inside.
Okay, now we'll eat the chocolate.
I showed the chocolate.
Yeah. Chocolate. Chocolate. Oh
Should
my
I?
god. Okay.
And try
Chocolate.
it.
Good old chocolate boy. Yeah, it's
And try it.
okay. You do.
How you? Show them.
Yeah. Eat that.
And try it and rate it.
That's yours.
That's okay. Rate it.
Wait. Oh,
So, rating please.
wait. Sorry.
And try this. Mmm. 5 out of 10 for me.
Yeah,
5 out of 5. I said 5 over 10. 5 out of 5 for me.
Me too.
Mmm.
Can't go wrong with Kinder
Wait,
Boy.
guys.
Okay, we're back. Okay. Alright.
Then, Ferrero
Next
course.
is Ferrero. The electric Ferrero.
Oh, guys, you know how it looks like the
Yeah.
foil, the green gold foil.
Yeah. Then you like do like this. Then open it. And I know there's like a nut inside, right? Yeah, there's like a nut inside.
It's hazelnut again, yeah. So same as Ferrero, I think, if I'm not mistaken, Nutella was the one, same brand who made them as well Ferrero. So same flavor, you're right? Hazelnut again, which we love. Hazelnut is one of our favorite,
There's the nut inside.
yeah, chocolate flavor and or nut flavor. Yummy, show them what's inside.
I already showed them.
Yummy. Mmm. 5 out of 5 for me, how about you?
Me too. Wow,
Amazing.
it's been
From Italy. European
been-
chocolate.
it's been 4 times or 5 times since we've been making stuff 5. Okay, I'll drink water. You want that?
No, here, we'll just put it here. Then, last but not least, my favorite Arnott's Tim Tam
Tim
from
Tam.
Australia, down under.
Yeah.
Aussie.
Yeah.
Original made with irresistible milk chocolate. Yeah. The chocolate biscuit, guys. Actually, it's best if you eat it with green tea or like coffee with like a warm, hot drink, and it
Yeah.
will melt, guys. See?
Oh wow, that looks good.
Mhm.
I've never tried this before. Actually.
I bought it a lot of times.
Oh. But me, I've never tried it. See this? It's like melting all over. It's just something fly. It's just a fly.
Mm. 5 out of 5 for me.
Yeah.
It's melting already. See
yeah.
Probably gonna make green tea after this, guys. Yummy.
Yummy.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't
Wait.
forget to-
I'll rate it first. You already rated, right? Yeah. I would say
Mm.
4 or 3.5, something like that. Yeah, 3.5, 4. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to like the video and and subscribe the video and and ring the bell for more videos like this.
Maybe I'll put the link to my video to my channel. So bye, guys.
Yeah, bye. Peace. Okay, wait. Let me just.